SBA 5 presentation, Shale Oil, by Carly Lloyd. What is shale oil? Shale oil is a type of crude oil. Crude oil is a liquid fuel source located underground and is extracted through drilling. Oil is used for transportation, petroleum products, and plastics. Shale oil is found between layers of shale rock and other types of rock. We get the oil from the rocks through a process called fracking. Why does the world argue about this so much? Through my research, I came to find that the world doesn't like shale oil because of fracking, not necessarily shale oil itself. Fracking involves drilling about 1 to 2 miles, though the depth can vary on location of drilling sites. Because of the depth, some believe that it's related to earthquakes. Also, if the drilling was to be exposed to water, it could end up contaminating it, which would end up as a huge problem. Fracking uses quite a bit of water. How much depends on location, just like drilling depth. The actual amount on average is debatable. Through my research, I was finding numbers of 1.5 million gallons of water to 16 million gallons of water, while other sources said that the most water used is 6 million gallons of water. But the production cost is about 4.9 to $8.3 million. If things were to backfire, that is a lot of money to be in debt, which is why some people don't like the idea of fracking as an investment perspective. It's estimated that there are about 3,300 billion barrels of shale oil. That could last the entire world a little over 9 years. That could give the world energy security that we've never really had before. That's just if shale oil was our only energy source. But since we have so many energy sources, it would be a huge overload of energy. Fracking releases less natural gas than burning coal, which would help global warming. In the end, shale oil is just like everything else in the world. It has its good and its bad, but in the end we have to choose if the bad will be worth the good. But luckily I'm not the person to make that choice.